I'm James West from James West Welding and a proud member of the EDGE Army. My father first inspired me to weld when I was a teenager. He was extremely mechanically inclined and I wanted to be just like him. Welding was my favorite part of working on old cars. I'd weld every chance I got. After a few failed attempts at college, I chose to take an apprenticeship welding position at a small fab shop in Utica, New York. There, I honed my weld skills and ignited my passion for welding. I use EDGE Welding Cups because they are the highest quality and they help me lay down my best work. EDGE Cups provide amazing gas coverage which make for clean, more precise welds.